somewhere in another galaxy. Too much to take, these memories end in tragedy. In all of these places, all of these faces, I didn't wanna let you down. And all these mistakes of mine, I can't replace it. I gotta move on somehow. Healing energy on me, baby. All I really need's one thing. Healing energy on me, baby. Can you make a wish for me? Healing energy on me. When it's 11:11, I need it. Healing energy on me, baby. Can you make a wish for me? 11:11, oh. 11:11. Too much weight on this. You can see the diamonds, don't complain on this. We was hustling, you niggas got no say on this. I'm just being honest, I'm moving steady. You can't buy success, ain't got no sale on it. You know that God did, he never gon' fail on us. Too much people got me thinking I'ma save all this. I know the ops want it, they love this. Xitsonga got that bust down like whoa. The streets crazy, they don't love me no more. Not one for pressure, but I'll bang for my bros. Walking in Giuseppe, I'll be 10 on my toes. Welcome all the smoke. Mama pray for me so I won't fall. Walking 10 toes. I be paranoid, but nobody knows. Anxiety, don't let the pressure get to your head. You know we play for keeps. Don't let it go. Moving on to greater. Never thought that I'd be ready. She let me, I let her keep her things. She told me, why didn't you just fight for it? All these baddies had too many. I promised that I would've died for it. You just had to fucking let me. Now I'm married to the game, I'm in that. No more chains, I'ma buy me some gold. 3 babies, tryna make room for some more. Life learning lessons, cause you reap what you sow. Walking in Giuseppe, I'll be 10 on my toes. You know I welcome all the smoke. Mama pray for me so I won't fall. Walking 10 toes. I be stressing out but nobody knows. Anxiety, don't let the pressure get to your head. You know we play for keeps. Don't let it go. All the smoke. Mama pray for me so I won't fall. Walking 10 toes. I be paranoid but nobody knows. All that bullshit's for the birds. You ain't nothing but a vulture. Always hoping for the worst, waiting for me to fuck up. You'll regret the day when I find another girl, yeah. They know just what I need, she know just what I mean. When I tell her keep it drama free.
Chunking up the
yeah. Told you that I'm leaving. Whoa. I know you mad, but so what? I wish you best of luck. Now I'm finna throw them deuces up. I'm on some new shit, I'm chucking my deuces up to her. I'm moving on to something better. No more trying to make it work. You make me wanna say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to her. You make me wanna say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to her.
Used to be Valentine's, together all the time. Thought it was true love, but you know women lie. It's like I sent my love with a text 2 times. Called cause I care, but I ain't getting no reply. Trying to see eye to eye, but it's like we both blind. Fuck it, let's hit the club. I rarely sit, but poke me some. Cause when it's all said and done, I ain't gon' be the one that she can always run to. I hate liars, fuck love, I'm tired of trying. My heart big, but it be quiet. I don't never feel like we vibing, cause every time we alone, it's a awkward silence. So leave your keys on the kitchen counter and give me back that ruby ring with the big diamond. Shit is over, what you tripping for? I don't wanna have to let you go, but baby, I think it's better if I let you know.
I'm on some new shit, I'm chucking my deuces up to her. I'm moving on to something better. No more trying to make it work. You make me wanna say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to her. You make me wanna say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to her.
Look, my shorty always on some bullshit like Chicago, so I flip that middle finger and the index finger follow. Deuces, we ain't got no future in tomorrow. I'm a dick, so it shouldn't be that hard to swallow. The other chick I'm with never complaining. She make me wanna leave the one I'm with, Usher Raymond. Probably didn't register, don't trip, later on it will. Shorty full of drama like gangster, Grizzles. I finally noticed it, it finally hit me. Like Tina did Ike in the limo, it finally hit me. I got a new chick, and she ain't you. She Paula Patton thick, she give me deja vu. And all that attitude, I don't care about it. But all that shit I do for her, you gon' hear about it. Breezy rap 2 up, 2 down, but I'm just putting 2 up, chucking up the deuce now.
I'm on some new shit, I'm chucking my deuces up to her. I'm moving on to something better. No more trying to make it work. You make me wanna say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to her. You make me wanna say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to her. Crying for weeks. How'd I survive when I could barely speak, barely eat, on my knees?
But that's the moment you came to me. I don't know what your love has done to me. Think I'm invincible, I see through the me I used to be.
You changed my whole life.
Don't know what you're doing to me with your love.
I'm feeling all superhuman. You did that to me. Superhuman heartbeat in me. Nothing can stop me here with you. Superhuman. Superhuman. Not a bird, not a plane. It's my heart and it's gone away. My only weakness is you. Only reason is you. Every minute with you, I feel like I can do anything. Going, I'm gone away. Love, you changed my whole life. I don't know why this shit got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't do Percocets on my leg. I'm turning one, trying to live it up. Get it right, baby, ooh, yeah. Ride it, ooh, yeah. Bring it over to my place. You be like, baby, who cares? But I know you care. Bring it over to my place. You don't know what you did to me. Your body lightweight speaks to me. I don't know what you did to me. Your body lightweight speaks to me. Hurricane on it. 100 bands make it rain on it. Tie it up, put a chain on it. Make you tattoo my name on it. Oh, make you cry like a baby, yo. Let's go, bro, and make a video, yeah. Make you cry like a baby, yo. Let's go, bro, and make a video. Oh yeah, baby, yeah, ride it, ooh, yeah. Bring it over to my place. You be like, baby, who cares? But I know you care. Bring it over to my place. You don't know what you did to me. Your body lightweight speaks to me. I don't know what you did to me. Your body lightweight speaks to me. Baby, yeah, ride it, yeah. You be like, baby, who cares? I know you How you feeling? Sensational, yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, I act the fool for you. Love like a riddle, yeah. Give me the clues to the riddle. Oh wow, laugh just a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can't be bitchy. Tell me love her to the morning, nah. Love her to the nighttime, nah. I don't get nobody, yeah. If you give me body, I won't tell nobody, yeah. Valley girl, she wears clothes. Now she want me pool skirt, so me pool skirt. Valley girl, she wears schools. You see, it's obvious. Sensational, yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, I act the fool for you. Love like a riddle, yeah. Give me the clues to the riddle. Oh wow, laugh just a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can't be bitter. This one she's fine, oh yeah. She want this, then she got this. She know if it control them, yeah. She dance it, she wind it, she make me want give her body back shots, body. Give her body back shots, body. Give her body back shots, body. Oh, 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 oh.
Back shit the way I jump for NYC. Yeah. Big girl, she carry the best I've seen. Yeah. Steadily ready, me assassin. Whoa. Sweet in my belly, you're like cake icing. Something jelly, eggplant emoji. So trained when I slide it in. Now she watching me like telly.
Sensational, yeah. What did I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know. I still fall for you. Love like a riddle, yeah. Give me the clues for the riddle. Oh, wow, laugh just a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can be bitter.
Girl, I only need your house address. If you wanna pull up on my tape cassette, no put it wider than the internet. I'm a presidential if you Roosevelt to look. Goody goody, girl, goody goody, bam bam. I need you now, now. Put me on fire like a lantern. Girl, you taste so divine, and I wonder why you so
sensational. Yeah. What did I do for you, girl? Can I do for you? And I know, and I know, and I know. I still fall for you. Love like a riddle, yeah. Give me the clues for the riddle. Oh, laugh just a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can be bitter. Sensational, yeah. What did I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know. I still fall for you. Love like a riddle, yeah. Give me the clues for the riddle. Oh, laugh just a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can be bitter. I know it's late, and baby I can't focus. I just flew in town today and hoping that you notice. Did you notice? I just posted my landing. Wondering if the same old understanding stands. I know you got work pretty early. I'll be around by 3:30. Usually you're done by 1. So baby, when I wake you up, just let me ride. Fuck you back to sleep, girl. Don't say a word, no, girl, don't you talk. Oh, yeah. Just hold on tight to me, girl. Fuck you back to sleep, girl. Rock you back. Now where you at, just drop my bag. I'm coming through to meet ya. Oh, yeah, to meet ya. Just let me ride. I'ma fuck you back to sleep, girl. Don't say a word, no, girl, don't you talk. Baby, just hold on tight to me, girl. Fuck you back to sleep, girl. Rock you back. Ain't sorry that I woke ya. I ain't sorry about the job. Call Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And your flex OD, your sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Blew the coupe at 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm Birkin. No 9 to 5, put the work in. Laws and all, I love them all. To me, you're perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, give you my last name. You know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to, picking and choosing. They ain't really love you, running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real nigga stepping in. Don't let them niggas try you, test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, give you my last name. You know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
You were the type that Instagram your breakfast in the morning.
No, I don't.
He told me to tell you your man still wears True Religions and polo tees. He told me to tell you you the type to text a girl I'm cute in person.
I got it.
So what's it gonna be? A dance battle!
I got this. I know. I got it. It's all good.
Play no games. Freaky. I could learn a lot from you. Gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl. You a little sweetie. Sweet like Pearland. Sweet like Peachtree. Like that. I could tell you crazy, but shit kinda intrigue me. Yeah, I like that. Seen it on the gram, tryna see that shit in 3D, mommy. I know I get around cause I like to move freely. But you can lock it down, I can tell by how you treat me. I seen how you did, homeboy, so please take it easy. Good to have me on your side, I ain't saying that you need me. Yeah. 6 got talk, but I ain't tryna get preachy. No. I seen how you did, homeboy. Please take it easier on me. Cause I don't wanna play no games, play no games. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Tell me if you with it, cause I'm with it, babe. I haven't heard from you and I'm in it, babe. Just tell me what to do and I get it, babe. Gucci and Prada, Tripsy
loving skills. Love my dirt draws and you love me still. Eyes come lazy, but she is real. Dressed to kill. Biggie bomb bomb till you tired. I can put a stone by your eye. I can't say you never switch your sides. You never tell me lies. Not rushing ties, yeah. Trip to your crib in the middle of the night. I know that you miss me cause I put it down right. Damn, babe, I can put you on a flight. You know that a nigga like me can change your life, oh baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody got you go crazy. I got what you need. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I know you a freak, little baby. Yo, give me lit. Hoes on my phone when they find out that I'm rich. Then they switch when they say I'm choosing on my bitch. Top down, got her doing donuts on a dick, yeah. Pause for the flick. Damn it, bust it, baby, watch you do it on the split. She don't need no hands or no pain, do your dance. Poppin' rubber bands, hit the dash, make it fast. Yo, waiting by me phone just to dick it down, down. Let me put it down, down. Now put it down, down. Watch me put it down, down. Now put it down, down. Trip to your crib in the middle of the night. I know that you miss me as I put it down right. Damn, babe, I can put you on a flight. You know that a nigga like me can change your life, oh baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody got to go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I know you a freak, little baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody got to go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I know you a freak, little baby.
I don't wanna go there. We should never go there. Why you wanna go there? I guess I gotta go there. You're hearing rumors about me, and you can't stomach the thought of someone touching my body when you're so close to my heart. I won't deny what they're saying because most of it is true, but it was all before I fell for you. So please, babe, so please don't judge me, and I won't judge you, cause it could get ugly before it gets beautiful. Please don't judge me, and I won't judge you, and if you love me, then let it be beautiful. Let it be beautiful, let it be beautiful. Let it be beautiful, let it be beautiful. Everything I say right now is gonna be used in another fight. And I've been through this so many times. Can we change the subject? You're gonna start asking me questions like, was she attractive? Was she an actress? Baby, the fact is, you're hearing rumors about me, and saw some pictures online saying they got you so angry, making you wish you were blind. Before we start talking crazy, saying some things we'll regret, can we just slow it down and rest? We said beautiful. So baby, so please don't judge me, and I won't judge you, cause it can get ugly before it gets beautiful. Please don't judge me, and I won't judge you, and if you love me, then let it be beautiful.
Chris, wait! I know it's just last minute. People are saying it's a suicide mission. Why are you doing this?
I'm doing a service for my country and my planet. And if that means saving the people I love and I care about, and that's what I do.
We have to go.
Chris, wait! Chris!
Please don't judge me, and I won't judge you, and if you love me, then let it be beautiful. Just let the past just be the past, and focus on things that are gonna make us laugh. Take me as I am, not who I was. I promise I'll be
just some things I gotta get off my chest, alright?
So I guess I'll start by saying that I love you, but you know this thing ain't been no walk in the park for us. I swear it'll only take a minute, you'll understand when I finish, yeah. And I don't wanna see you cry, but I don't wanna be the one to tell you a lie. So how do you let it go when you just don't know what's on the other side of the door when you walking out? Talk about and everything I tried to remember to say just went out my head. So I'ma do the best I can to get you to understand. Cause I know, yeah, say goodbye, but I gotta make the first move. Cause if I don't, you're gonna start hating me. Cause I really don't feel the way I once felt about you. Girl, it's not you, it's me. I gotta figure out what I need. Oh, there's never a right time to say goodbye, but we know that we gotta go our separate ways. And 1,000 times I found myself asking why am I taking so long to say this? But trust me, girl, I never meant to crush your world, and I never thought I would see the day we grow apart. And I wanna know, how do you let it go when you just don't know what's on the other side of the door when you walking out? Talk about, girl, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. We just can't go on pretending that we get along. Girl, how you not gonna see it? Goodbye, but I gotta make the first move. Cause if I don't, you're gonna start hating me. Cause I really don't feel the way I once felt about you. Girl, it's not you, it's me. I gotta figure out what I need. Oh, there's never a right time to say goodbye, but we know that we gotta go our separate ways. And I know it's hard, but I gotta do it. And it's killing me, cause there's never a right time. Be apart, baby, I just can't do it. I just can't do it. Listen to your heart, girl, you know we should be apart, baby, I just can't do it. And sometimes it makes me wanna cry. Ooh, 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 ooh. Do you hear me crying? There's never about you.
This trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D. Yeah, you know that I'm on beat. All these trips got you asking heat. Yeah, those eyes on time, no love. No, girl, I know that you ready. Girl, I'm not gonna let you down. I ain't gon' keep you waiting up. If you go ahead, it's gon' get knocked up. You playing hide and seek, I'ma find you. Baby, hold on tight when you ride me. You know I like to eat, give me options. If you throw it, it's gon' get knocked up. I wanna get equal. All I ask for my ego. Baby, we gon' keep it simple. I need all that love on me. You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why the when I walk, looking like you, just tryna fuck, yeah. This trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D. Yeah, you know that I'm on beat. All these trips got you as a heat. Yeah.
This trip got you in heat. Super wet, her juices running down her knee. No stylist in the saline. Got you flogging with an icy pedophilia. Pretty vibes inside the mansion by the beach. With the prints all on your bathing suit, your stylist so unique. Some beds inside your room, designer garments for the week. And that's all on me, I swear that's all on me. You acting like you really want it. You gon' get it. Once I fuck you good, I got you. In your feelings, Berkey bands and Goya pouches. Got you drippin', like a listen more accountants. Counting digits, cherishing the riches.
You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why the when I walk, looking like you, just tryna fuck, yeah. This trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D. Yeah, you know that I'm on beat. All these trips got you asking heat. Yeah. Give me directions, I do whatever you want. Got a fit for that heat, just to add to the fun. You light it up while I'm breaking it down. You gon' knock out by the end of this round, oh. You got me speechless, girl, that pussy no pump. Girl, you're the only one that knows what I want. I'm feeling this shit, I know you feeling it too. I can go deeper, but that's all up to you, yeah. I wanna get equal. All I ask for my ego. Baby, we gon' keep it simple. I need all that love on me. You like it what you see. Everything designer, that's on me. That's why the when I walk, looking like you, just tryna fuck, yeah. This trip got you in heat. It's jumping, baby girl, hop on this D. Yeah, you know that I'm on beat. All these trips got you as a heat, yeah.
Never see this again.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say, yo,
I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss.
Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yo.
I know you're tryna leave, but excuse me, miss. I saved the last dance for you.
How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance.
Don't worry about it, we just 1-2 step. 1-2 step.
Now if the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say, yeah.
I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss.
Ooh.
I saw you from across the room.
And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say, yeah.
I know you're tryna leave, but excuse me, miss. I saved the last dance for you.
How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say, yeah.
I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss.
I saw you from across the room. you're making me wanna say oh. I know you're tryna leave, but excuse me, miss, I saved the last dance for you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, you're so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, hey, excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it that she is. I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. I know you're tryna leave, but excuse me, miss, I saved the last dance for you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if your shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, homie, make her understand. Y'all was made to dance like this. Y'all was made to bounce like this. Just let her know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man. Bikes that I rock, keep 3 or 4 sweeties on my clock. But all the swinging in that bikini just might convince her. Slow all the traffic down to a complete stop. Cause you speak in that slang that I talk. That sassy tempo with that walk. Maybe the reason that all these teens may never see me. Mama, you may be 3 years older, but you hot. Give me that. You be talking like you like what I got. Give me that. I know you like it how I lean in the lack. You could be in the back saying gimme, gimme, gimme.
Don't Lamborghini with the spider seats. You never seen it, so get it shouted. We parking lot pimping in my dome, and I know what you want. I got the remedy, you feeling me? So why is you hating on my anatomy? It's bird-like, yeah, you heard right. Girl, I'm the king, so that means I'm fly. If you with it, girl, get it poppin'. Roll with me, ain't no stopping. So get it shouted. We parking lot, baby, in my dome. I know what you want.
If you ain't got it by now, then you just ain't getting it.
Let's go, nappy boy, and pretty boy, nappy boy, and pretty boy. Boy, say nappy boy.
Hit us up, man.
And pretty
850-321-8692.
and pretty boy. I need you, boo. Oh, I gotta see you, boo. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight. Hey, little mama, ooh, you're a stunner. Hot little figure, yes, you a winner. And I'm so glad to be yours. You're a class all your own. And ooh, little cutie, when you talk to me, I swear the whole world stops. You're my sweetheart, and I'm so glad that you're mine. You are one of a kind, and you mean to me what I mean to you. And together, baby, there is nothing we won't do. Cause if I got you, I don't need money, I don't need cars. Girl, you're my home. And oh, I'm into you, and girl, no one else would do. Cause with every kiss and every hug, you make me fall in love. And now I know I can't be the only one. I bet it's hearts all over the world tonight. With the love of their life, who feel what I feel when I'm with you, with you, with you, with you, with you, girl. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you. Oh girl, I don't want nobody else. Without you, there's no one left. And you're like Jordans on Saturday. I gotta have you and I cannot wait now. Hey, little shorty, say you care for me. You know I care for you. You know that I'll be true. You know that I won't lie. You know that I will try to be your everything, yeah. Cause if I got you, I don't need money, I don't need cars. Girl, you're my all, yeah, yeah. I'm into you, and girl, no one else would do. Cause with every kiss and every hug, you make me
every hug. You make me all the love, and now I know I can't be the only one. I bet it's hard to all over the world tonight with the love of their life who feel what I feel when I'm with you, with you, with you, with you, girl, with you, 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 with you. All my bitches got real hair, chillin' with the top down, screaming like, hey, oh. I'ma take her ass down, she bring her friend around, fuck 'em both like, hey, oh. I'm a bougie ass nigga, left the roof at home. We vibing like, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. But don't be acting like I need you.
Hey babe, this my new shit. I'm the black bitchy bitch with the roof missing. If it don't make dollars, don't make sense. Z, wake up like I gotta get it. And I got an engine for a trunk space. I get money 3 ways, fucking bitches 3 ways. 7 different formats, plus she's no oblate. But I make that bitch walk with some cheesecake. Yeah, I'm the coldest nigga I see. Looking in the mirror like I wish I can be me. She too into me, I'm more into money. My hobbies her body, that pussy's my lobby. I'ma eat it, I'ma eat it. I don't lie, on my dick too conceited. I told her she my wife for the weekend. But don't be acting like I need you, cause we poppin' like, yeah.
All my bitches got real hair, chillin' with the top down, screaming like, hey, oh. I'ma take her ass down, she bring her friend around, fuck 'em both like, hey, oh. I'm a bougie ass nigga, left the roof at home.
We poppin' like,
hey, oh, hey,
we poppin' like,
but don't be acting like I need you. I'm in the rose, you don't roll right. My chain shine brighter than a strobe light. I'm tryna fuck Coco, this don't concern ice. If I motorboat, she gon' motorbike. A nigga ain't worried about nothing. Rehabilitation just had me worried about fucking. Money decision making, only worried about stunning. She worried about me, her nigga worried about cuffing. I wanna see her body. Then she said, get inside of me. I wanna feel you, baby. Just bring the animal right out of me. We loving, she loving, especially when I go down on her. Now we fucking, she thuggin', getting loud.
cause we poppin' like,
hey, oh. All my bitches got real hair, chillin' with the top down, screaming like, hey, oh. I'ma take her ass down, she bring her friend around, fuck 'em both like, hey, oh. I'm a bougie ass nigga, left the roof at home.
We poppin' like,
hey, oh, hey,
we poppin' like,
but don't be acting like I need ya.
Somebody on this trip. Damn. You gonna hurt, you gonna peel the skin off of me. Oh, good job. Oh, that was Chris Brown.
He out?
He's out.
Oh, no.
Breaker, Chris Brown is out. And Tigger, we looking for him.
Tiger, man.
Tiger?
Yeah.
Man, I'm gonna get them two little light-skinned Bruno Mars looking mother. He's supposed to be at community service.
Let's get him. Fuck that.
What the hell wrong?
Now I can spot your bitch from a mile away. Valentine and that pussy, it's a holiday.
You losing money, I win meals. Dr. J, she gon' follow my lead. Simon says,
paper, I'm riding scrapers in California. Car smell like ammonia, we got that stank on us.
Never been an outcast, that snake on you. From the ghetto, but my bitch like Apollonia.
We in the hood, tatted like a Mexican. Car too fast, give a fuck about pedestrians.
And my section, less niggas, more lesbians.
Got your bitch, I'm that nigga.
Yeah, we poppin' like,
yeah. All my bitches got real hair, chillin' with the top down, screaming like, hey, yeah. I'ma take her ass down, she bring her friend around, fuck 'em both like, hey, oh. I'm a bougie ass nigga, left the roof at home. We vibing like, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. But don't be acting like I need you.
Yeah, it's that fly shit.
What it is,
King
folks?
shit only.
This right here is the 16-year-old phenom, Chris Breezy.
legacy. Me, myself, I'm the 23-year-old CEO. Cool. Young Carter, harder than the mother boys. I ain't even frontin', baby. I could take a summer off. I could break a woman off. I could take the stomach off one of my trucks. Now I'm riding in the goods. Line it on up, guarantee you get served. Lil' Chris said running, so I run into her. I'm that cash money youngin' Birdman Jr. Just a president looking for a minor curve.
The young boy just turned 16 and I got 6 foes and hot bikes that I rock. Keep 3 or 4 sweeties on my clock, but all that's ringing in that bikini just might convince to slow all the traffic down to a complete stop. Cause you speak in that slang that I talk, that sassy tempo with that walk. Maybe the reason that all these teens may never see me. Mama, you may be 3 years older, but you hot. Give me that. You be talking like you like what I got. Give me that. I know you like it how I lean in the lack. You could be in the back saying gimme, gimme, gimme. Mama, you may be 3 years older, but you hot. Give me that. You be talking like you like what I got. Give me that. I know you like it how I lean in the lack. You could be in the back saying gimme, gimme, gimme. Take a break, let me explain to you what your body got a young boy ready to do. If you take a chance and let me put them things on you, I can show you why I make them straight A's in school. I'm a hustler, just my frame and age got you thinking that I'm just too young to turn your page. I can picture us switching lanes in the coupe with you on the phone screaming my name. Mama, you may be 3 years older, but you hot. Give me that. You be talking like you like what I got. Give me that. I know you like it how I lean in the lack. You could be in the back saying gimme, gimme, gimme. Mama, you may be 3 years older, but you hot. Give me that. You be talking like you like what I got. Give me that. I know you like it how I lean in the lack. You could be in the back saying gimme, gimme, gimme. Yeah, girl, you're serious and I've been watching you.
Already. Baby, what it do? I'm tryna holler at ya. I ain't upset, but I'll blind you if I smile at ya. You're rockin' with young Chris and the best rapper. So leave your phone, bring your friends, let the rest happen. A Lil Patron, Lil Hen, I'm on Cavalli vodka. I'm in Cavalli jeans, got on Cavalli boxes. I'm fresher than a newborn. And I could work you out like a futon. And you could leave your birthday suit on. I'ma leave my boots on. I'ma leave my jewels on. Never know what you want. I'ma leave that too long. Never know who home. I learned that from a Biggie song on to a new one. Something like a red bone. Ooh, I think she like me. She got me on a ringtone. And I told her, get your girl and don't you stunt. Now give me that funk, that gushy stuff. Yeah.
Mama, you may be 3 years older, but you hot. Give me that. You be talking like you like what I got. Give me that. I know you like it how I lean in the lack. You could be in the back saying gimme, gimme, gimme. Mama, you may be 3 years older, but you hot. Give me that. You be talking like you like what I got. Give me that. I know you like it how I lean in the lack. You could be in the back saying gimme, gimme, gimme.
Yeah, ha. Yeah, man, don't be frontin' like you don't know what's going on. Alright?
What's up, Tom? You wanna sleep?
There can be one only you are. And baby, God can never make two. Nah, nah, nah. And I know you came here with your crew. But I promise you that it feels like it's just us two. Oh, I don't know what you had planned to do tonight, but I just wanna be the one to do you right, right. And we're standing here looking at each other, baby, eye to eye. And I'm hoping that you're thinking about leaving with me tonight. You said you came for love in the club, 'cause I wanna tell them they wrong. Come on, just baby, try a new thing, and let's spark a new flame. You gon' be my baby, love you crazy. Tell me if you ready, baby, come and get it. Try a new thing.
spark a new flame.
Let me holler at her. Yeah, man.
I can't believe you keep me all alone, baby girl. Where's your lover? Oh, it don't really matter, 'cause I got plans to get to know you better. Yeah. Baby, 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 let's make what we got here last forever. Girl, 'cause I don't wanna let you go. Never. I don't know what you had planned to do tonight. Girl, I just wanna be the one to do you right, right. And we're standing here looking at each other, baby, eye to eye. Baby, I hope that you're thinking about leaving with me tonight. Who said you can't find love in the club? 'Cause I wanna tell them they need to try a new thing. Baby, spark a new flame. You gon' be my baby. Love me, love you crazy. Tell me if you with it. Baby, come and get it. Try a new thing. Baby, try a new spark a new flame.
She know what time it is, Chris. Yeah. Home plate, World Series, how a nigga sliding in her. Baby, I'm a boss, I'm talking George Steinbrenner, Panamera, Yogi Berra, my two-seater, Derek Jeter, got more stripes than all these niggas, baby, who ballin' in the Beamer, collar on my polo, kisses on my necklace, all my diamonds watching, now my watch is getting jealous, smoking on the bomb in my autograph LeBrons, yeah, she told me I'm the one, that's when I only hit it once.
Love in the club. No, 'cause I wanna tell them they wrong. Come on, just baby, try a new thing. New thing, baby. And let's spark a new flame. Baby, you gon' be my baby. Love me, love you crazy. Tell me if you with it. Baby, come and get it. Try a new thing. And let's spark a new flame.
Tryna smoke, tryna get high, see it in my eye. I know she playing both sides, that bitch telling lies. But my dick give her a high, she down for the ride. Them hating bitches kill the vibe, fucking live your life. Bad bitches in Hawaii, umbrella with ice. 10 bad bitches on my side, make them all my wife. Smoking on the finest ganja, she like China White. Popping all these pills, she said she used to it, she wanna go way up. Okay, baby, if you're used to it. And I know that you a grown woman, and I know that you know what you're doing. Wet, 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 wet. Oh, baby,
I'm a king, baby. You from the hood, but you a queen, baby. Ass fatty can't even fit in them jeans, baby. Mansion race with the stars, baby. I'm a street nigga. I'm supposed to really be behind bars, baby. Really wanna be faithful, but this shit hard, baby. Yup, I got the pussy first, and then I know it. You fuck another nigga, you ain't loyal. I told you bring a friend, and shit getting bored. She asked me what we are, we just cordial. I'm a gangster, I can make a wet, turn it to a pool splash. She help me count the money in the trap, then she go back to school. If a nigga ever play with bait, it's breaking news. She got 50 pointers on her neck, protect this matching juice.
Wet, 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 I just wanna show you off, I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the flies of them all? I get money when I want, I can fuck her if I want. Baby, you can take it off, I'm that nigga with the sauce, ayy, yeah. Whole lot of Saint Laurent, can't remember what it costs, yeah. Bitch, I'm feeling like a boss, spit on it and lick it off, yeah. You know we can run it up, tell me what you really want. I know I can break you off, come and let me break you off.
If you ever wanna fall, can I be the one you call? If you wanna be a star, I can tell you what it costs. I was gonna put you on, I was gonna put you on. I was gonna change your life, girl, but I don't wanna break your heart. Wet, 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 wet.
Oh, baby. Just tryna change your life. I'm just tryna change your life. Just tryna change your life. Oh, baby.
I could change your whole sauce. You a little more spicy, yeah. Now you dealing with a boss. I might treat you rightly, nah. No more mason jury, baby. Now you dripping icy, ayy. You keep hanging around me, baby. You start talking like me. Got my own lingo. I could change your whole ego. I be swimming in the money, baby. Torpedo. I ain't like these rapper niggas. They is not my stilo. I'ma call you back and with my niggas shooting CeeLo. I might change my old ways for you, baby. I can change your whole way, now you wavy. Now you glamorous, I'm out your element. I'm too reckless for you, girl, it's evident.
Wet, 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 wet.
Oh, baby. Just tryna change your life. I'm just tryna change your life.
Move your body out on the floor. Put your troubles aside. Start living. cross. Oh, I'm flossing. Tell little bitch get up. It's breezy.
U.S. H.E.R.
Yeah, yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
hey. Real shit.
Pull up on your bitch, tell your man I'm sorry. 100 on my wrist, jumping out the Rory. Ooh, she hit the split, she know how to party. When I'm with my clique, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. Bitches dancing naked in my living room. She straight out of college, just turned 22. Girl, get your money up, I ain't even mad at you. Got you all on me, making these niggas catch an attitude.
Tell 'em don't start it. My niggas retarded. Fuck the judge and the sentence. I got a good lawyer.
I got a few girls on the way. Baby girl, you ain't leaving. It's my birthday with the cake. Fuck it up and let me eat it. Pull up on your bitch, tell your man I'm sorry. 100 on my wrist, jumping out the Rory. She hit the split, she know how to party. When I'm with my clique, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. Yeah, I just got the ring, I think I deserve a toast. Shout out to my team, we be out there doing the most. Girl, come to my place, I don't bring no clothes. Let's get dirty, babe. Baby, drop it low. Hop up a band on that ass. Baby, been eating the weedest. All in the bag, there's in the cash. Meet me if you need it. I got a few girls on the way. Baby girl, you ain't leaving. It's my birthday with a cake. Look it up, let me eat it. Pull up on your ass. Tell your man I'm sorry. 100 on my wrist, jumping out the Rory. She hit the split, she know how to party. When I'm with my clique, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party.
Party like a nigga just got out of jail. Flying in my Rari like a bat that just flew out of hell. I'm from the east of ATL, but ballin' in the Cali Hills. The mama booty booming, that bitch moving and she standing still. I know these bitches choosing me, but I got 80 on me still. I'm tryna fuck, who tryna chill, cause I'm just tryna pay some bills. I'm multi-million-dollar flood, this watch here cost a $250,000. Just look at me and look at them. I smashed her on my first attempt. Like Scarface, bitch, the world is mine. You should read the blunt. So either you gon' take a ride or you gon' stay with him. Cause I got places I can be. I get your ass on the scene. Gucci CB VIP, so fuck them niggas, look at me.
Pull up on your bitch, tell your man I'm sorry. 100 on my wrist, jumping out the Rory. Ooh, she hit the split, she know how to party. When I'm with my clique, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. How to party up, we know how to party. Turn up the music cause the song just came on. Turn up the music if they try to turn us down. Turn up the music, can I hear it till the speakers blow? Turn up the music, fill your cup and drink it down. If you're sexy and you know it, put your hands up in there. Put your hands up in there. Girl, put your hands up in there. If you're sexy and you know it, put your hands up in there. Put your hands up in there. Girl, put your hands up. Turn up the music, just turn it up louder. Turn up the music, I need it in my life, yeah. Turn up the music, just turn it up louder. Turn up the music, I need it in my life, yeah. Turn up the music.
Turn up the music, fill your cup and drink it down. If you're sexy and you know it, put your hands up in there. Put your hands up in there. Girl, put your hands up in there. If you're sexy and you know it, put your hands up in there. Up in your hands up in there. Girl, put your hands up and turn up the music. Turn it up louder. Turn up the music. I need it in my life, yeah. Turn up the music. Just turn it up louder. Turn up the music. I need it in my life, yeah. Yeah. Shake that ass like boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka. We don't need nobody watching us. No eyes but your eyes. Ain't nobody here but you and me. Licking your private parts, and I know you love your privacy. You don't need a shower, you already wet. Know that pussy power telling me I ain't ready yet. I say fuck it, face my fears, baby. When I lick it, I put tears in it. Put my face in it, eat it like a dinner date. You know I love foreplay, 12 play, everything. No, my loving don't change. I don't really give a fuck what a hater say. Cause you fine, baby. And it's alright, cause you're all mine, baby. Ooh. Girl, I'ma let you get crazy. Hey, you got without a tied up skirt. Get that ass in the bed, I'ma lock the door. Shake that ass like boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka. We don't need nobody watching us. No eyes but your eyes. Ain't nobody here but you and me. Licking your private parts, and I know you love your privacy.
Baby, I promise I won't tell nobody. Just long as you let me hit it like every night. I could give a fuck about the club, cut that pussy tight. Do a split on it, drop it, baby, show you right. I'ma split your wig, then you asking me to stay tonight. Whip cream on your titties, then you sucking on my dick with ice. Oh my god, my bitch get me right. Ain't gotta pay for that pussy, my dick can change a life. I'm tired of missionary, wanna see you on your face. Put that ass up in the air, I'm loving how that pussy tastes. Damn, on your side, stop running from this dick, I ain't about to let you slide this time.
Hey, you got without a tied up skirt. Get that ass in the bed, I'ma lock the door. Shake that ass like boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka. We don't need nobody watching us. No eyes but your eyes. Ain't nobody here but you and me. Licking your private parts, and I know you love your privacy.
it out. It's Santana again, stepping out. One of them brand new big boy toys. I do big boy things, I make big boy noise. Cause I know what girls want. I know what they like. They wanna stay up and party all night. So bring a friend.
Let me talk to you, tell you how it is. I was thinking when I saw that body, gotta get shorty. Tell her what the young boy gon' do. Damn them chicks with you, gotta be a king. Stay pretty thick with a kick that's sick, that need to be hit. So tell me what y'all gon' do. I got friends and you got friends. They hop out and you hop in. I look fly and they jogging. The way you drop makes me pop. I got friends and you got friends. They hop out and you hop in. I look fly and they jogging. The way you drop makes me wanna pop. Is your man on the floor? If he ain't, let me know. Let me see if you can run it. Girl, indeed I can run it. Is your man on the floor? If he ain't, let me know. Let me see if you can run it. Girl, indeed I can run it. Come here. You see, girl, I can sit you off. Don't believe my age gonna slow it down. I can definitely show you things to have you saying I can't be 16. Once I get in, you won't let go. I have the girls wishing they were you. I know you heard about me, but guess what's going down in Wheelie? I got friends and you got friends. They hop out and you hop in. I look fly and they jogging. The way you drop makes me wanna pop. I got friends and you got friends. They hop out and you hop in. I look fly and they jogging. The way you drop makes me wanna pop. Is your man on the floor? If he ain't, let me know. Let me see if you can run it. Girl, indeed I can run it. Is your man on the floor? If he ain't, let me know. Let me see if you can run it. Girl, indeed I can run it.
Let's go.
Girl, you feel right, make me feel like wanna do a little something. Ain't no thing, let's do it for sure. Girl, the way that you wear them jeans is turning me on. The hottest thing that's in these streets, so baby, won't you rock me?
Make it drop, honey. Make it pop, honey. Whip wop, tick tock to the clock for me. Don't stop doing that. And shorty know I mean what I say, so she won't stop doing that. Plus I heard if you could dance, you could bump. Well, dance time is up. Let's go. We could get it in. We could get some friends, do it like the yin yang twins, start whispering. Let me fall back, you ain't ready for all that. Have you sleep late, real late, yeah, taking them long nap. You tell your friends to get with my friends. We could be friends, switch and meet friends. We could do it all night long and till the clock hit morning. You dig?
Is your man on the floor? If he ain't, let me know. Let me see if you can run it. Girl, indeed I can run it. Is your man on the floor? If he ain't, let me know. Let me see if you can run it. Girl, indeed I can run it.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out. Yellow model chick, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yeah, that shit look like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She wax it all off, Mr. Miyagi. And them suicide doors, Ari Kari. Look at me now, oh. I'm getting paper, look at me now, oh. Look at me now, yeah. Fresh to the motherfucker. Little nigga bigger than gorilla, cause I'm killing every nigga that can try to be on my shit. Better cuff your chick, if you with it I can get it. And she accidentally slip and fall on my dick. Oops, I said on my dick. I ain't really mean to say on my dick, but since we talking about my dick, all of you here to say hi to it. I'm done.
Hell, Breezy, let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. Let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. Go! She really wanna pop me. Go! Just know that you will never flop me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come a nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow and then I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna dead it. Then I'm gonna murder everything and anything about a boom, about a bing. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clearer to a couple niggas that I always win and then I gotta get it again and again and again. And I be doing it to death and now I move a little foul. A nigga better call a rap and everybody know my style. And niggas know that I'm the best when it come to doing this. And I be banging on my chest and I bang in the east and I banging in the west. And I kinda give you more and I will never give you less. You will hear it in the street or you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next? Let's go. See the way we on it and we all up in the race. And you know we gotta go now try to keep up with the pace. And we struggling and hustling to set it and to get it. And we always gotta do it, take it to another place. Gotta taste it and I gotta grab it. And I gotta cut all through this traffic just to be at the top of the throne. But I know I gotta have it. Have it.
Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Yeah. Fresh to the motherfucker.
Man, fuck these bitch ass niggas. How y'all doing? I'm Lil Tunche. I'm a nuisance. I go stupid. I go dumb like the Three Stooges. I don't eat sushi. I'm the shit. No, I'm pollution. No substitution. Got a bitch that play in movies in my jacuzzi. Pussy juicy. I never give a fuck about a hater. Got money on my radar. Dressed like a skater. Got a big house. Came with an elevator. You niggas ain't eating. Fucking tell a waiter. Marley say shoot him and I say okay. If you want that bullshit, then I'm like, oh, late. I don't care what you say. So don't even speak. Your girlfriend a freak like Cirque du Soleil. That's word to my flag. And my flag red. I'm out of my head, bitch. I'm out of my mind. From the bottom I climb, you ain't hotter than mine. Nope, not on my time, and I'm not even trying. What's poppin', slime? Nothing 5. And if they trippin', fuck them 5. I ain't got no time to shuck and jive. These niggas this sweet as pumpkin pie. So I can Sprite on a private flight, bitch. I've been tight since God in life. And my pocket's right, and my diamonds white, and my mama's nice, and my dad is dead. You faggot scared, cause I'm too wild. Been here for a while. I was like, fuck trial. I puts it down. I'm so young money. If you got eyes, look at me now, bitch.
Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Yeah. I'm fresher than a motherfucker. Okay. Okay. Is that right? I'm fresher than a motherfucker.
No, I don't see it often, and I probably should've told you I heard this bad. I know, and I probably shouldn't want this so bad. It's weighing on me. Don't wanna wake up in the morning. Cannot undo what we did in this bed, and I can't get you out, so I gotta go. No, I'm not ready for you. Want me all alone, but I'm undecided, excited, ignited, and I don't wanna feel the way I do, but I like it. Look at all these sparks flying, but I'm still indecisive. And she want me to wipe it, but I know I shouldn't be doing this, but here we go again. Girl, you know that pussy is my weakness. Girl, you got me addicted when you're switching positions. You tell me shut up, and you know I listen. I hate it, wishing that I did it. I can't keep sitting and pretending. Oh, no. I'm taking off your clothes. We getting sexual. It is so good, think I propose. I don't know, but I'm undecided, excited, ignited, and I don't wanna feel the way I do, but I like it. Look at all these sparks flying, but I'm still indecisive. And she want me to wipe it, but I'm undecided. Oh no, I'm undecided. Cause I'm undecided. No, baby, I'm afraid of your love. Oh, ooh, you got me, baby. Cause I can't get enough.